Hello, you lovely people. In this video, I want to talk about the possibility that Nico Hulkenberg could replace Valtteri Bottas in 2024. But before we get into that, I would like to tell you a bit of an update regarding my health and the current situation with the care. So, yesterday I went to the doctor and my medication was increased from 10 milligrams of citalopram to 20 milligrams. This is as a temporary measure because all this stress with sorting out care really is getting to me. Personally, I think I'm doing a better job than actual Staffordshire Social Services, because I'm actually looking at Plan B and Plan C. But I still need to. My aim is still to raise £24,700 as soon as possible, so I can join Complex. That would ensure that I could go there for a year without any problems. But currently I'm looking at private care, because I don't think I'm gonna get to 24,700 by the 15th. But anyway, as I said, I feel very down and actually on the border of becoming depressed again, and I don't want to do that. So as I said, the doctor is aware and medication has been up, and hopefully we can raise the money as soon as possible, so at least I get a year's worth of relief, and then look for additional extra funding that is permanent. Alright, but for the meantime, I'm looking at private care, but as a temporary measure. Now, if you've listened to me, if you watch this video so far, I'm very grateful. And now let's get into the video proper. Now, yesterday I published a video where I suggested that Hamilton and or Paris could be replaced by Nico Hulkenberg. I actually realized that I didn't actually talk about Lewis Hamilton, so apologies for that. I think that's very unlikely, but one of my subscribers had commented under that video that Hulkenberg might be interesting option for Sauber, and I kind of agree with that, because Sauber will become Audi in 2026. So and I've made a video about Hulkenberg joining Audi in 2026. So if indeed Bottas does get replaced, I think Hulkenberg would be a very good option as well. Having said that, I doubt that at the current form, whether it would actually be sensible for Hulkenberg to leave Haas, because at the minute Haas is doing better than Alfa Romeo. But long term, I think if he looks long term, then I think he would be very well advised to join the Sauber team, because I think he will still be on the grid in 2026 when Audi takes over. And don't forget, he drove for Sauber before in was it 2013 or something? I think it was 2013. Correct me if I'm wrong. But I think that was one of his best seasons in Formula 1, because he did score fourth places quite regularly. Anyway, guys, this is just what I'm thinking. Do let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you do like my content and wanna support me, then I would advise you to check out the links in the video description. I've got a GoFundMe link in there. If you donate to that is going onto a separate bank account, and the target is 24,700, and that would be spent exclusively on care. Any other link mean that you will support me personally. Alright, if you do like my content, then feel free to also subscribe, comment, and give this video a like to help the algorithm. See you soon for another video, and I'm very grateful for everyone who took the time out of their day to watch the entire video. In my current situation, it really does mean the world to me. Alright, speak to you later, guys. Bye.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.